Hello students, hope you are doing good. Today we are going to discuss about the most interesting concepts in one of the most important and basic fundamental subject of your engineering, be it electrical engineering or electronics engineering, that is something called network analysis. The main objective of this video is to give you a full insight into this subject and what is the significance of each and every topic of this subject, and most importantly we are going to discuss the kind of questions that we are appearing in several competitive examinations like GATE, engineering services, etc. So before we start this video, let me tell you what are all the things that we are going to discuss in this video. Initially, I am going to explain about the significance of each and every topic in this subject, which will give you a complete idea of every topic and what exactly you are going to learn. Most importantly, what is the significance of each topic in the real world, at the same time any few practical applications if applicable. And later on, I am going to give you some deep insight about the weightage of every topic, especially with respect to GATE examination, which topic, what kind of questions are being asked, and what is the weightage of every topic, what are high weightage topics and moderate weightage topics. So that classification I am going to do. Followed by, I am going to discuss few questions, some interesting tricky questions, how to solve those kinds of questions. These questions have been appearing in previous GATE, engineering services and several other PSU examinations, so that you can also check yourself where exactly am I standing. And last but not the least is I'm going to give you some quick tips and tricks how to solve questions in DC circuits, and what are the things that you have to take care while handling any circuit, be it a DC circuit or an AC circuit. Alright, now let us have a look at the different topics that comes under this subject, and most importantly the significance of each and every topic. Okay, so these are all the different topics that we are going to cover as a part of network analysis. In fact, I can simply say it is the syllabus. You take any examination, you take GATE, engineering services, PSU examinations. So this is going to be the syllabus, and of course, for engineering services, there will be one additional topic called network synthesis. But however, except engineering services, rest all examinations more or less this is going to be the syllabus. Alright, now let us have a look at what is the significance of each and every topic. Okay, so total there are around 9 topics are there. So we'll quickly have a look at what is the importance of each and every topic. Okay, now the first and foremost thing that we are going to learn is something called Introduction to Network Analysis. If you ask me what is this subject all about, I can say the subject is all about 3 quantities, 3 elements and 3 laws. Alright. So if you want me to put this meaning of this subject, or if you want me to put the entire concept or the entire theme of this subject in one single sentence, I will simply say it's all about 3 quantities, 3 elements and 3 laws. Those 3 quantities are the 3 VIPs of our subject. I call it as voltage, current and power. The 3 elements of our subject are the 3 superheroes, I can say, the resistor, inductor and capacitor. And here comes the 3 most important and fundamental laws. They are Ohm's law, KCL and KVL. So in this introduction to network analysis, you are expected to learn complete A to Z information about what is voltage, what is current and what is power, what is resistor, what is inductor and what is capacitor, and what is Ohm's law, what is KCL and what is KVL. So if you have an understanding about these 3 plus 3 plus 3 total 9 parameters, then your life becomes very easy in solving or in understanding the other topics. End of the day, your entire subject, not only subject, your whole engineering is all about these 3 quantities, 3 elements and 3 laws. Okay, in this introduction to network analysis, generally what we discuss in the classroom or in general is right from the history. Okay, usually most of the students spend very less time in understanding these 3 quantities, 3 elements and 3 laws. But what I strongly feel is, being an engineer, especially electrical or electronics engineer who deals with electricity throughout his or her life, you should have the complete background of this electricity. I mean, when did electricity took birth? As you all are aware, somewhere around the 18th century, electricity took birth. Who was the first person to do some experiments on this electricity. Now, initially, what happened and what exactly is this DC supply? And things were going on fine with the DC supply. Suddenly, AC supply came into picture, and there is a war between two groups. One is saying DC is the best, other one is saying AC is the best. And finally, what do you think? Who won the war? So AC supply won the war. And then coming back, what is the significance of this DC supply? And most importantly, you have to learn voltage, current and power through experiments. If I say current is 2 amperes, what does that exactly mean? If I say voltage is 10 volts, what exactly that 10 mean? And similarly, if I say power is some 100 watts, what does that number 100 means? So if you understand to that level, trust me, things will become very easy for you to answer any question in any circuits related to this electricity. So in this chapter, the main objective of this chapter called Introduction to Network Analysis, as I said, is all about learning 3 quantities, 3 elements and 3 laws. So students, please spend very much time on this Introduction to Network Analysis, so that you will get a crystal clear clarity on what is V, what is I and what is P.